Hello folks, let's do another mini project to convert the temperature in centigrade input via keyboard to Fahrenheit. So as you can see, the formula is F, the temperature in Fahrenheit, equals to the inputted value C, temperature in centigrade, multiplied by 9/5 plus 32. Okay, let's get started. Let me create one more file called C to f.py, and here I can type prompt centigrade equal to, let me just make it bigger, easy and nice, input, enter temperature in centigrade. Now the temperature is here. Let's convert that into an integer. Int prompt centigrade. Now what's the formula? The formula is F equal to C times C times 9/5, 9/5 plus 32. All right, so let me put the comment here. Converts str prompt into C into an int. So let's write F equals to C times 9/5, then just wrap around parenthesis plus 32. Now you can type in print, let's use the F string, F as in use for interpolation. So interpolate the variable values and let you write it using one line. So you can say the inputted C is converted into Fahrenheit F. So let's write here centigrade also, and let's verify. Let's run in centigrade. So let me say my temperature, let's say here 30. So the value of the input at centigrade is converted into Fahrenheit is 86 degrees. Let's run one more time, and here next time let's say the temperature has dropped to lowest, that's 0 degrees, like think it's a winter, and the value is 32. That sounds right. All right, that's all I got. So stay tuned for another video. Thanks for watching.